In this video, we're unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 in Aurora White. Hey guys, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the new smartphones launching and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap on the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram at H2TechVideos so you can win some cool tech stuff as well. Let's go ahead and jump right in and let's get this Aurora White Note 10 out of the box. I'm not going to waste time showing you the box because that's just a waste. Let's take a look at the phone. So that is a very beautiful white. For some reason, I don't know. I'm not very impressed by the like rainbowy Aurora, like the other color that everyone's getting. I was curious to see what the white looks like, and it's very classy. It's very beautiful, and just a very elegant design here. And we have our S Pen, all white S Pen, sort of reminiscent of the older Notes. I think it was the Note 2 that had the white S Pen. And let's go ahead and turn it on. And while that turns on right there, we can just see what else comes in the box here. So we have our super fast charger. So gotta love that. Kind of hard to see it, but in the little writing it says super fast charger, so that's great. There is an even faster charger you can get, but I think I'll be fine with that. This is our, no Bixby, don't want your help. We can go ahead and mute that. So here we have our adapter. It's basically your OTG cable, so you can plug this into the bottom of your phone, and you can then plug in the power cord and basically transfer your data really quickly from an older phone. So just the charging cable right into here, and that right into the bottom of the phone. So always love that they have that in the box. That is the fastest way to transfer versus over Wi-Fi. So definitely recommend that. Put that right there. We have our AKG headphones. I have so many of these because every year I buy the new Samsung phone. So these headphones are great, and I always use them in the gym because they're great in the sauna, and they have that nice braided material. So very durable there. And obviously these are the Type-C variant because there is no headphone jack on our Note 10 here. So we do have the updated Type-C headphones. This is my first pair of Type-C headphones. So there is that. Here we have our USB cable, Type-C, standard white, nothing special there. And I think those are all the goodies that came in the box. Now I've got one more goodie to show you. And this is our little gift from Samsung for pre-ordering. This is our Galaxy Fit. So we're going to be shooting a ton of videos on this. Make sure you subscribe to our other channel. You'll see a little bubble in the corner. Subscribe to our other channel, Tech Made Easy, and we're going to do a ton of videos on how to use this cool fit and give you our feedback on if it's a good buy for you or not. So stay tuned for that. It's always good to pre-order. If you buy it before it comes out, they usually always give you some type of extra gift. $100 credit, and this is what I put it towards. So a little plug for that. And we are on, and it's time to set up. So more videos to come. Hit that like button down below if you did like the video, and actually hit that like button if you are a fan of the all white Galaxy Note 10. That's why I want you to hit the like button if you're a fan. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's so elegant, and I'm so excited to have this phone. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And again, like the video if you are a fan of the white color. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one.